Hi, I'm Sean Vick. I'm project manager, and today we are in Stillwater, Oklahoma, and we are currently standing in the student center of the new Stillwater High School project. The new Stillwater High School came from a bond that Stillwater passed a couple years ago, and that's what provided the funding for this new project. But it's a new ground-up high school for Stillwater. The old high school, most of it will be coming down, and this will serve as a brand new space. It's approximately 200,000 square foot building. And some key features are the student center that we're currently standing in, the storm shelter that also acts as a gym with a full basketball court and bleachers, and then the last 40,000 square feet of the project on the south end is a performing arts space for students to practice band and orchestra. Right now we're standing in the art wing, which will consist of 3 large art rooms, a welding lab, and a pottery space with 3 or 4 kilns right behind me. So one unique thing about this space is just how tall the ceilings are, how open it is, and having the polycarbonate panels to let in natural lighting specifically for artwork. So now we're standing in the storm shelter that also acts as a multi-purpose gym. So it'll have 6 basketball goals, bleachers, volleyball net, and then also have a boys and girls locker room. For this storm shelter, all these walls, they're precast concrete panels, so they're poured off-site, they're 12 inches thick, and they ship them to the site and then erected with a crane here on site. So right now we're standing in the large band room, which is actually part of the performing arts wing that was added. But right now we're finishing up drywall, starting tape and bed and first coat of paint. So one unique thing about this project is the size of the rooms, the tall ceilings, and the amount of natural lighting that they've incorporated into these spaces. I myself actually went to school here in Stillwater, so I know how bad a shape the old school was in. So this will certainly be a good upgrade for the community, and I think everyone's excited about it. So all in all, this project's gone really well. And what that's done is, it's kept everyone's morale up. Everyone works well together. We work well with the school, we work well with our architect, and all in all, it's been a good project. So yeah, we've been super excited, even before we started this project, and we've been excited the whole way through, and we're just looking forward to turning over this building next summer and getting to watch the students and staff enjoy the space. It's just something it's going to be pretty neat to watch and something we're super proud of.